Hi, I'm introducing a new add-on ConnectTo Telesign SMS that lets you to select a group or multiple rows and send the SMS to your recipients through a Telesign SMS Platform. To begin, click Extensions, Connect to Telesign SMS, and click Open. You should be having a Telesign account. If not, just have it signed up here. Once you sign up, it will take you to the Telesign portal. Copy the customer ID and the API keys and paste here. This could be either ARN, MKT, or OTP depending on the type of SMS you send to your people. I click Save. Okay, these are the headers which are displayed for selection to determine which column you select. The phone field, it says where is the phone number. In this case, the phone field, which is C. So note that if you have an empty first row, these fields do not appear. So that's the reason prefer having this in the first row. I select phone, and here you have two ways to choose the SMS text. The compose SMS text will let you to insert the placeholders. If you're using a formula, something like this, you can choose SMS text as the column name. And now let me choose a few of them. Before that, let me compose the text. Hi, the name of, click here to renew your subscription. Insert subscription link. Thank you. I select a group of rows, out of which one has a missing phone number. I click on preview and let me see how the preview looks. The placeholders should be substituted with the actual link, and you see them here 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I click SMSs. It should send the SMS one after the other. And I click close. You see this is not sent. That's because it doesn't have a phone number. If you see here again, you see a transaction ID which is helpful for debugging. Let's not bother about that. Each message that's being sent have a different transaction ID. If you want to send another set of rows, click SMS selected rows without having a preview. So this shoots up the SMS one after the other. For test purposes, I've used the same number. You can have multiple numbers and shoot the messages. I hope this should be helpful. Thank you.